When it comes to sharing photos and videos on Instagram, there is nothing more fun than using Instagram stories. Sure, you could create full posts that last forever, but there's something much more unique about sharing parts of your day to stories, where they disappear after just 24 hours. And since Instagram automatically archives anything you post to stories, you can always return to your memories at a later date. Of course, if you're trying to build a photo collage in an Instagram story, it may not be immediately clear on what to do. Depending on your phone and how you're trying to design your photo collage for your story, you have a couple of distinct options. Regardless of whether you're on iOS or Android, the easiest way to build a photo collage for Instagram stories is to get the Layout from Instagram app. Available in both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, Layout is designed by Instagram to make it easy to select multiple photos for a single post. Just install the app on your phone, then follow these steps on screen to make a collage for Instagram. You can select photos, choose a layout, resize your images, and customize how your entire collage looks before saving your collage. And once you've created it, you can post it on your story immediately by clicking on Instagram from the Share menu, then selecting Stories. If you'd rather create a collage manually in Stories, you can do that, but you'll have to be on iOS. Start by making a backdrop for your story, either by taking a blank photo inside Instagram's camera, or by painting over something using the brush tool. Next, hit the Photos app on your phone, then press and hold on the photo you want to select. Hit Copy, then jump back over to Instagram. Wait about a second and you should see an option to add a sticker with your copied photo appearing in the bottom left corner. Hit this icon and your photo will appear as a resizable sticker in Instagram. Repeat this process to add as many photos as you want in your collage, and before you know it, you'll have an image perfect for posting to your story. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.